Hello, traders. As you can see, my prediction was spot on. Let's analyze the market for Monday together. Outlook for tomorrow. We witnessed high selling pressure in today's market, so our key strategy for Monday will be sell on rise. Personally, I am expecting a range-bound seller's market. Support and resistance levels. 26,000, now acting as strong resistance and a key psychological level. 25,900 and 25,800 also serve as strong resistance areas. 25,700, resistance is currently building here. 25,600 and 25,500, these act as support, though they are not particularly strong. Global news and economic data releases. China economic data. Markets will closely monitor several key data points from China expected to influence global sentiment. Q4 GDP. The annual growth rate is expected to ease slightly. The actual figure will be a key market driver. Industrial production, retail sales, and fixed asset investment. December metrics will offer insight into the Chinese economy's momentum. Unemployment rate. The December rate will provide further context on the labor market's health. U.S. market holiday. U.S. financial markets will be closed for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. This typically results in lower trading volumes and potentially less market-moving news from the U.S. World Economic Forum, the 56th annual meeting in Davos, Switzerland, begins on January 19th and runs until January 23, 2026. Global leaders will gather to discuss critical challenges, potentially generating significant news flow that may impact markets throughout the week. Eurozone inflation. Final December inflation data will be released, which is crucial for the ECB's future policy decisions. Canada inflation, December inflation data, and the Bank of Canada. Business Outlook survey will also be published. Trading scenarios for Monday. Gap up. Keep in mind there is an untouched fair value gap from today in the 25,775 to 25,800 zone. If the market opens here, we will look to short upon confirmation of a bearish pattern. However, if it opens slightly higher, wait for a liquidity sweep of the previous day's high before shorting. Our targets will be the gap fill, followed by the previous day's low, then 25,600, and finally 25,500. Flat. If the market opens flat, we may see some consolidation. If the price breaks the previous day's low, we will short, targeting the 25,450 to 25,500 zone. Gap down. If the market opens with a gap down, we could see an immediate reversal as traders with short positions book their profits. The market will likely rise to fill the gap. Once the gap is filled or the price reaches the untouched FVG zone, look for bearish confirmation to short again, targeting the same levels. Comment below or DM me for precise live market levels for free.